Welcome to Make I Talk family, the family wey give opportunity to everybody to talk their matter.
We create
Platform wey dedicate to create and amplify your voice.
We also tanda gidigba
for humanitarian and community development.
To us at Make I Talk, everybody is important.
Through dialogue, we solve problems.
We listen, we communicate, we don't argue or discriminate.
Don't die in silence.
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 Die in silence.
Don't die in silence.
Do not die in silence.
don't die in silence.
Die in silence.
Don't die in silence. Speak out. Speak out.
Speak up.
Speak out.
Speak out.
Speak out.
Speak out.
Brothers and sisters, speak out.
Speak